I think there's an interesting number of setups really across the dollar majors. There's a interesting setup. Let's begin with the euro, but a couple of the major pairs showing a bit of a recovery in the U.S. dollar and a kind of tentative attempt at maybe launching a counter strike after a bit of weakness in the final parts of July. So euro dollar first, we can see that it bounced from support right around 117.50 and completed that falling wedge, seemingly ended the initial down move, and now kind of struggling in congestion around some of the regions on the top side where the price has tended to stick before. I think this is a good case study in support and resistance not really being a single line, not really being a single level, as some technical analysts sometimes look at, but really a range, something with depth. And the way above the euro here really significantly blocked by these congestion areas around 119, the upper bound of one of them, 120, the upper bound of the other. And then, of course, if we can get through all that, 121 beckons thereafter. But it looks like we're reversing from that area and eyeing actually that support at 1750. Again, we'll see if NFP gives us the trigger to get down there. Underneath that, 117, and then a relatively swift decline into 116.30, 116 area.
Ilya, just give us some detail on that positive RSI divergence as well.
So that positive RSI divergence is one layer of confirmation that we can look at when we're looking for a turn or a sign of exhaustion. So you can see that as we were going into that support at 117.50, we were setting lower lows on the price, but not on RSI. And what that is telling us is that while the price is making lower lows, it is losing momentum. It is losing the capacity to close lower with as much vigor as it was on the earlier way down. That can be just the precursor for consolidation, or as we saw in this case, the precursor to a reversal. Now, whether that reversal has legs, that's another story.